Hey guys, how are you? So we're going to be going over the ending sounds in some words, okay? It's so important. For example, if I say lie, it's hard to know if I say like or live. Two different words with two very different meanings. So I'm gonna give you some words that are very different, but I want you to pronounce the endings very clearly, okay? Let's get started. So, some words are black. Repeat it again. Black. Perfect. Make sure you really focus at the end of the letters, okay? White. White. Awesome job. Then. Perfect. Think. Think. Awesome. Girl. Life. Repeat that once more. Life. Awesome. Like. Can't. Awesome. Say it one more time. Can't. Great job. Now, can. See, those two words are very different. Can and can't. So make sure the endings are very pronunciation, okay? So now we're gonna go over some present simple and plurals. So if you have one thing or if you have many things, I will give you some words and then we will do some sentences, okay? Our first word is pen. That is present simple. Pen. Perfect. Now the plural sound is pens. Great job. Say it again. Pens. Awesome. I have one pen. I have one pen. Now, the plural sounding is I have several pens. I have several pens. Awesome job. Let's move on to a few more. Watch and watches. Say it again. Watch and watches. Awesome. I watch TV. I watch TV. He watches TV. He watches TV. Great job. Teach. I like to teach. I like to teach. Now, the plural sound is teaches. My friend teaches geography. My friend teaches geography. Cake. I love cake. I love cake. Now, the plural sound, cakes. Awesome job. We have eaten many cakes this month. Say the sentence one more time. We have eaten many cakes this month. You guys are doing such an amazing job. Start. What time does school start? Plural sound, starts. It starts at 8 a.m. It starts at 8 a.m. Perfect job. We have a few more. Plate and plates. I wash my plate. I wash my plate. My mom washes all the plates. My mom washes all the plates. Good job, guys. So that was present simple and plurals. The endings are so important. So now let's move on to past simple tense, okay? And these are just as important. Let's get started with the few words and then sentences, and it will really help you, okay? Listen to the sounds of every ending. Let's begin. Waited. Say it once more. Waited. Perfect. We waited for our friend for hours. We waited for our friend for hours. Good job, guys. The next word is needed. Needed. We needed to go to the store. We needed to go to the store. Great job, guys. Let's move on to past. Past. Perfect. I passed my exam this week. I passed my exam this week. You guys are doing an amazing job. Just a few more. Learned. Learned. We learned about space today. We learned about space today. Laughed. Laughed. I laughed so hard with my brothers last night. I laughed so hard with my brothers last night. Good job, guys. Watched. Watched. We watched the football game. We watched the football game. Played. Played. He played the guitar. He played the guitar. Now we have one more. Moved. Moved. She moved last week. Repeat it once more. She moved last week. Awesome job. It's very important to really pay close attention to how you say the endings of words. You don't know if it's past, present, or future, okay? So good job, guys, and repeat the video once more.